Here I am with the 9.5 Wagon. Just look down the side here at this. I did have all the dents repaired this week, so it's in nice shape. Everything down this side as well. It's hard to see on the camera, but I have some before and after pictures that I might be able to work out. But this fender was creased a little bit here. There were dings down the door along this crease here. And a couple small dings and such on the hood. That's all been pulled out. This crease here will have to be fixed when the paint gets done. So then coming around to the side here, this door is not perfect. That's I knew that going into it, but it's a lot better. You can see it's just straightened out so much better. But again, not perfect. That was kind of the point of it. I didn't really want to have to paint this door and then not have it match the rest of the car. This is pretty good. But anyway, so I thought that, at this point, okay, I'll just have the hood painted. That'll keep things moving along. But then I was driving the car today, and before I get to that, I should say I got the door panels back on, and I did clean them front and back, so that's all clean. I got the tail lamps back in. I had to have those out. So everything that I took apart, except for the fender liners, was back in. So I was driving today, and two things happened. I lost the center cap here on this front wheel, that's no big deal. I have extra ones in the garage. And then the other thing that happened is that I think something happened to the window regulator or else the window roller. I put the window down a few inches, and it kind of went down here and then started coming apart here instead of going down. So I did get the window back up, but now I have to deal with that. So it's just one thing after another with this car. But at least the repairs look good. Everything's in good shape there. So, yeah, oh well.